If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the appearance properties of a form field in Acrobat, open the form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. Then double-click the desired form field to open its Properties dialog box. To view the form field's appearance properties, click the Appearance tab within this dialog box. These settings appear for all types of form fields in Acrobat. To apply a border color or fill color to the field, click the Border Color or Fill Color color boxes in the Borders and Colors section, and then select a color from the drop-down menu. If you select a border color, then use the Line Thickness drop-down to select a border thickness, and use the Line Style drop-down to select a border style. To set the font size, font color, and font style, if the field can display text, select choices from the drop-down menus that appear when you click the Font Size drop-down, the Text Color box, and the Font drop-down, respectively, in the Text section of this tab. To close the dialog box when finished, click the Close button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.